Hey guys, Sarah here. How are you? I want to share with you a amazing course that has been put together by Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mace. This is quite the course, you guys. The Lost Code has been able to show methods that are kind of different than what people are actually doing in the background. Top earning affiliates like Brandon Mace and as well as Jono Armstrong are actually doing. So I want to share here with you a quick little snapshot of what Brandon Mace has to offer for the Lost Code, just so that I give you a quick little idea before I run down and give you an overview of what the Lost Code is about.
Disconnect today with what people are teaching you works for make money online and what these people are actually doing to make money online. And that's why we created the Lost Code, because we want to show you what people are actually doing to make really big money.
So he is going to show you actually what he does to earn five-figure, six-figure months that he and Jono Armstrong do on a monthly basis. So this overview of the Lost Code is honestly a newbie for anyone who's new, who's afraid of the techie kind of mumbo jumbo. They just want to learn the easy way, but the right way that actual top earning affiliates are actually doing. So here in the Lost Code, it's going to give you a bit of case studies of what he's done and how he's done it, and amazing tools that I have been now using that have given me the leverage and the upper hand to start creating and generating income for myself, and as well as multiple traffic methods. And these are traffic methods that are organic as well as paid, but they are valuable and viral traffic. So if you really want to understand the methods of what they do, the Lost Code is the missing piece if you've been struggling. And I have been struggling in my past time of being online. I've been online for over 3 years now, and I have taken this course and it has shown me the light, the clarity, and I've been able to put together my campaigns in such a fashion that I know that they are actually converting, and that they are converting based on the simple methods and the missing piece that Brendan Mace and Jono Armstrong are revealing in this course. So you get as well bonuses with the course as well. But I want to share with you my bonuses if you decide to sign up under me, that has helped me supercharge my traffic and content to drive my campaigns at a higher level. So I'm going to quickly here share with you my bonus screen. Here are my bonuses, you guys. So Sarah's insane bonus bundles. So when you decide to purchase the Lost Code, you are eligible to receive these amazing bonuses that I have to offer for you guys. So let's just jump into here is actually, I want to jump in and talk about this for just 1 second. Jono Armstrong lives in Jakarta, Indonesia. And this little boy in the picture here is actually the son of his housekeeper. And he is actually, in this video, you'll see a video of how other families live in Indonesia and how there is quite a bit of the poverty going on in Indonesia. So he is putting this the sales to a great cause, giving 10% of the sales to poor families in Indonesia. So he'll show you here kind of, there's two sides of the rice field, as he mentions, one quite affluent side of the rice field, and families that are not so in kind of poor conditions on the other side of the rice field. So he is providing 10% of all the sales going from the Lost Code to poor families in Indonesia. So it's a really amazing, thoughtful video. Take a look at it. It's really great. So jumping into the bonuses here. So for the supercharged software, It is honestly giving you the maximizing your traffic with the lost code, and giving you the chance to earn those commissions on Easy Street. So this is a really great tool to use, and powerful tool for starting out being brand new. Here, as well as compelling headlines, absolute must of learning how to create captive, um, killer headlines to all of your audiences. So you need to, when you're creating your landing pages or sales pages, you need to have captivating headlines that convert. And this tool here, it's actually an ebook that will help you to create those killer headlines. And here is Google Display Networks. So Google Display Networks is basically when you're showing an ad and it's showing you the Google advertising on either if you're on your phone or desktop on your browser, or if you're doing a search or whatnot. This is showing you how to increase the traffic with Google Display Network. And this is really cool because with what the lost code is giving you and this bonus on top is really a super exciting change of how traffic is really supercharged as well with this Google Display Network hack. And finally, content marketing. Actually, not finally, we have one more. Content marketing. It is the most important part of when you are creating your sales page, landing pages. Must have effective content, must have really driving content that really will showcase what you're talking about, what your brand is, to allow what we say is conversions for all of your audiences. So it will allow you to get best results on really interesting marketing techniques of how to leverage your content and to finesse your content in a way to make conversions. And finally, my favorite is video. Video content is a must. Driving organic traffic is all under the platform of video content. Video content is really showing you trust, your face, your brand in when you are providing video, talking about a review, talking about a product, talking about your brand, and putting that in front of an audience. And this is a tool that will help you. I'm sorry, not a tool, it is an ebook that will help you understand how to convert your videos. So, with that, these are the bonuses that will, in due time, in 3 days here, will come down in 3 days. And after that, they are off limits. They will be taken off the table. So if you are interested in purchasing the lost code and grabbing these bonuses, hit the link below and secure your copy and your bonuses of the lost code. Secure your copy of the lost code and your bonuses that I have shown you here, of the 5 bonuses that are given to you. So with that, I'm just going to sign off and I hope to see you on the inside.